Hello, welcome to Chi Trader, where we will now provide a detailed introduction to the Watching Widget. Watching List allows traders to manage the contracts they are interested in and quickly monitor the price movements of these contracts. You can click the Add Instrument button to open the instrument picker and select the contracts you wish to monitor. After opening the instrument picker, it is divided into 4 columns: exchange, type, product, and instrument. When you select an item, the next item's options will automatically appear. If you know the exchange where the contract you are interested in is listed, you can select it in sequence and then click Confirm to add it to the watching list. Alternatively, you can enter key information in the search box, and the instrument selector will display matching results. After selecting, click Confirm, and it will also be added to the watching list. We have just demonstrated how to add a single contract to the watch list. By holding down the Shift key and clicking, you can select multiple contiguous contracts. Holding down the Control key and clicking allows you to choose non-contiguous contracts, and then clicking Confirm will add multiple contracts to the watching list at once. If you wish to unfollow a contract, there are 2 methods available. The first is to right-click on the contract in the watching list and then click on Unwatch. The second method is to click the Settings button and select Contract List Setting. After opening it, click on the star in front of the contract to change its background to black. And then click Confirm to batch unfollow multiple contracts at once. You can also rearrange the position of the contracts by clicking the Settings button and selecting Contract List Setting. Hold and drag the contract you wish to move with your mouse to the desired location and release the mouse button. Then click Confirm for the change to take effect. In the watch list, you can add blank rows and edit text. To do this, right-click within the grid and select Insert an empty row from the context menu, then choose the desired location to add the blank row. Once you've added a blank row, right-click on it and select Edit to input text. If you want to delete the blank row, right-click on it and select Delete from the context menu. Each column width in the table is adjustable. Simply hold down the column header and drag to resize. If you wish to set which columns are displayed, you can click the Settings button and select Column Settings. The left side shows columns not currently included in the table, while the right side displays the columns that are included. You can add or remove columns by selecting the column name and clicking the left or right arrow buttons. After selecting a column on the right, you can adjust its position by clicking the up or down arrow buttons. You can also adjust the position of the columns by holding down the column header and dragging it within the table. The display format of contract names can be adjusted. In the left sidebar, select Settings, then choose Contract to set the contract name display value to a format you are familiar with. The change will take effect immediately after switching. The background color of the contract name and contract code columns can be customized. In the left sidebar, select Settings, then choose Style, and toggle on the Custom Contract Name Colors and Custom Contract Code Colors options to set your desired colors. The settings will take effect immediately after being applied. The colors for bid and ask quantities are also customizable. In the left sidebar, select Settings, then choose Style, set the Buy, Sell Colors of Market to Custom, and choose your preferred colors. These settings will also take effect immediately after being configured. In the watching list, you can right-click on a contract and select Place Order to open the Order Placement panel. By right-clicking on a contract and selecting Open a Partner, you can open other components. For example, after selecting Market Depth, the Market Depth component will be automatically opened and the depth information for that contract will be displayed within it. When you want to categorize and manage your watched contracts, you can use the grouping feature. By default, a default group is added for the user, When no specific group is designated, all watched contracts are included in the default group. Additionally, a position group is provided by default. When you have open positions, the contracts associated with those positions are automatically added to the position group, making it convenient to view the market changes of all your positions. If you wish to create custom groups, you can click the Manage Watching Groups button and then click the Add Watching Group button to add a new group. After creating a group, you can right-click on a contract and select Add to include the contract in the newly created group. Groups also support renaming and deletion. You can modify the group name or remove the group as needed through the Group Management interface. That concludes the introduction of the Watching List feature. Thank you for watching this software presentation video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to contact us at any time. We look forward to your experience with our product.